What's going on, everybody? We are here today to talk about the Bitcoin price, and we are going through some things right now. There's been a mighty struggle in the Bitcoin price in the last 30 days, and we want to take a look at it right now, just kind of get an idea and ask ourselves a very simple question. When does it all end? Now, if you'll take a look at the Bitcoin price right now, we're trading at 29,773, and you can see here the market cap is $567 billion off of a current market cap in the overall of $1.228 trillion. The concern that everybody should be having right now is Bitcoin is a 46.3% dominance at this point, which is starting to beg the question, what is going on in the altcoin community? But the most important part is recognizing that in the last 30 days, Bitcoin trading at 39,880 is now down to 29,734, not really showing a level of strength like we would hope. And that does beg the question for everybody, what is going on? Well, we start with Ukraine. Ukraine is creating a difficult situation for the entire market. Then you flip the page and you get to inflation. And you can see that the United States has not been handling inflation very well, which leads us to another question. Can we get out of this? Well, the simple answer is probably not. You look at the global market right now, and you can see that we've gone from a $1.8 trillion market cap all the way down to 1.2. This, in fact, is not a number that you've seen since July 20th of 2021. We're hoping, by the way, that it doesn't continue to repeat itself and continue to create this difficult situation in the market. And we start to see a little bit of a lift. Now, when you look over here at capitalization minus Bitcoin, and you look at the period of time that we're now talking about right here, you'll see that even though Bitcoin has held up surprisingly well, the rest of the market has not. For the 25% that Bitcoin has lost in value, the rest of the market has lost over 40%, falling from a high of 1.05 trillion all the way down to 655 billion. And you got to ask yourself, what is the big reason? Well, the big reason, the Terra Luna collapse has taken a gigantic chunk out of the positive sentiment in this market. Now, the collapse of Terra Luna, now called Terra Luna Classic, has created this incredible poor feeling about the safety and specifically the collapse of UST. So what do? They launch a second token, which is now trading at $6.44. And when you look at the analysis on that, you will see here that it was trading on launch at a high of $19.53. Now, that left you with a consolidation number of $6.41. Definitely not something that's going to inspire confidence in anybody when you're looking at these markets. So now the question is, what is it going to take for Bitcoin to recover and for these altcoins to recover and to regain investor confidence? Well, it's going to start with ETFs. It's going to start with inflation going down, and it's going to start with an end to the conflict in the Ukraine. Guys, until the conflict in the Ukraine ends, you're probably not going to see a sharp rise in any crypto prices and there will always be pumps that happen in crypto. We're not without the pumps, but we're not going to see a huge lift in the Bitcoin price or any of the altcoin prices in general throughout this market until we get some satisfaction and some confidence in the institutional investors, because that right now is what's driving the market. We again can go back and we can look and we can see that at $1.2 trillion, the daily users, us, we're still in on Bitcoin. We're still in on altcoins. We're still in this market. What's not here is the institutional money. That institutional money is being moved around. And it's being played around. It's been put back into the stock market, or it's been put into bonds for short-term yield in order to continue making the profit that they're used to. Now, guys, if you agree with me, let me know in the comments below. If you disagree with me, let me know why you disagree in the comments below. Let me know what you think. And if you like the content, then hit the like button, subscribe to the content, and Remember this. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleaves, and I'm always right.
Looking for the good life.